Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix not everyone can message this account on Facebook. So if you are seeing the not everyone can message this account error on Facebook Messenger, this tutorial will show you how you can fix the issue and allow everyone to message you. So why this happens? So Facebook restrict messaging for some accounts due to privacy settings. So it will prevent non-friends from messaging, and or maybe the professional mode enable with limited messaging, or there's age restrictions or country-based limitations. Or maybe there are temporary restrictions due to spam reports. So to quick fix it, you can first change the privacy setting and just open the Facebook application and go to settings. Click on your profile at the top right corner, tap on the settings and privacy, and in here find the settings how people can contact you. You can go to settings in here. Okay, this one, how people find and contact you, and here you can just see this one, how you get message requests. So under the message request, you can select everyone instead of friends and save the changes and restart the messenger, and now anyone can send you a message. Second one, you can turn off professional mode if enabled. So go to your profile and tap on the three dots menu, this one, and then you can just turn off the professional mode, confirm and restart the messenger app. Next, you can also check for age or country restriction. So if your account is set to under 18, Facebook may limit who can message you, because some regions also restrict messaging due to local laws. So for the solution, you can just change your birth year and check Facebook region policies. And next, you can also check if you are blocked or restricted. So if the person you are trying to message you is blocked or restricted, they won't be able to send messages. So you can just go to the blocking and check the list. And also don't forget to update your Facebook and Messenger apps, because an outdated app can cause glitches like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.